Do you ever feel like your bookkeeper is frustrated with you, or worse, that they secretly hate you? Well, the reason you feel that way is because it might actually be true. You see, there's a few bad habits business owners have that might not seem like a big deal, but actually drive bookkeepers crazy. But don't worry, all is not lost, because I'm going to tell you how to fix those bad habits and get into the good books. Before we start, if you've ever had a tricky situation with your bookkeeper, drop a comment below and let me know what happened. I'd love to hear your story. Also, I'm excited to tell you that I've partnered with Xero for today's video, and to help you save some of your hard-earned money, I've secured a special offer of 90% off for 6 months if you sign up to Xero using the link below. This offer is valid at the time of making this video, so make sure you click on the link in the description below and check it out. And while we're on the topic, bookkeepers love using Xero, so if you sign up, you'll score some brownie points right away. Here's 5 reasons why your bookkeeper might secretly hate you and how to fix them. Number 1, late or messy records. Bookkeepers love to be organized, so there's nothing more frustrating than getting a shoebox full of receipts at the end of the year. All bookkeepers have stories of clients that send a box full of their receipts on the last day of the financial year without thinking that they're dumping 12 months worth of chaos on their laps at once. And let me tell you from experience that it's not cool. To make sure you don't do this to your bookkeeper, you need to come up with a way to upload your receipts regularly, label documents clearly, and use software like Xero or QuickBooks to store your files instead of a shoebox. It will make your bookkeeper's life easier and will help make them like you. Number 2, mixing personal and business finances. Some clients treat their business account like a personal wallet. Lunches, home renovations, family shopping trips, and other personal purchases should not be made on your company card. Not only does it take time for your bookkeeper to sort through all those transactions and allocate them as either business or personal, they can trigger tax audits too. To fix this, always separate your personal and business bank accounts and credit cards and use the right one everywhere you go. Number 3, not reading or acting on reports. I see this all the time. Business owners get their monthly financials but don't look at them until tax time, or worse, don't look at them at all. I know your financial reports can look boring, but they are often the first place big problems like low margins or tight cash flow are brought to light. So if you don't read your reports, you might not spot problems until it's too late. All you need to do is review your reports regularly and take action where needed. And if you don't understand something, speak up. Your bookkeeper is there to help you understand your numbers, not just put them together for you. Number 4, treating the bookkeeper as a data entry robot. Bookkeepers aren't just there for compliance, they're there to help you better manage your finances. Some business owners only see them as someone to lodge taxes or process payroll. That means opportunities to save money, improve cash flow, or spot problems are missed. Instead, what you should do is include your bookkeeper in planning, budgeting, and even decision making. A good bookkeeper can help you grow your business and save you from disaster. Number 5, procrastination and last-minute requests. Waiting until the last minute to ask for something or provide important information is a guaranteed stress trigger. Nobody likes to do end-of-month reconciliations, tax lodgements, audits, or anything else in a rush. That's a headache no one wants, and it's completely avoidable. What you need to do is set deadlines, plan ahead, and submit things early. Regular submissions keep everything running smoothly and reduce mistakes, and your bookkeeper will love you for it. So there's 5 reasons why your bookkeeper might hate you and what you can do to keep your relationship with your bookkeeper on the right side of the ledger. And remember, bookkeepers also love using Xero, so make sure you check out the special offer I got for you by clicking on the link in the description below. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to drop a comment below to let me know about your relationship with your bookkeeper, and I'll see you in the next video.